everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is C'Aira. For those of you who are new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be heading out to Target to do some back to school shopping. I have Skylar's list as it was given to us on the last day of school, thankfully, so I didn't have to worry about that. But I am going to show you guys what Target has to offer as far as back to school shopping, because it is a really good selection. I also need to just pick up one more thing while I'm there shopping, and Cameron's list still has not came out yet. I guess I'm gonna have to call and figure it out before we end up having to wait to the last minute to pick up his supplies. Alright, so here it is. Sky's going to the 3rd grade. Everyone is to get a 1 binder that is 2-inch, pack of pencils, 1 pair of headphones with the students' names. They don't want Bluetooth, and just make sure that they're kid size. 2 wide ruled composition notebooks, 2 1-subject notebooks, or 1 2-subject notebooks, 2 pocket folders, 2 boxes of tissues, cleaning wipes, and Ziploc bags. Alright, so we're finally in the car. We're heading out to Target to see what it is we need. I did call before I went to see about the supply list. She's supposed to be emailing me that for Cam. If not, we just won't get it on this trip, but at least you guys get to see what school supplies they have at Target and the price. Okay, and of course, as I'm almost at Target, I checked my email and the school supply list is there. I'm not sure why I wasn't able to get that from the get-go, but it looks like we're gonna need the following items here. So as you guys can see, the following items are needed as far as for Cam. He's gonna need 1 box of colored pencils, 12 count, 1 box of colored markers, 10 count washable, pair of scissors, 1 box of number 2 pencils, and then a pencil sharpener, earbuds or headphones, 4-pack of Elmer's glue, 1 4-pack Expo dry erase markers, chisel tipped, 1 box of tissues, and 1 plastic pencil box, a refillable water bottle, and then of course they want a backpack without wheels. So hopefully we can find all of those items today. Honestly, the tissues is something that I still have in my classroom downstairs, so I'm not even gonna attempt to buy tissues. I'm not even going to buy any Clorox wipes that her supply list asks, because I have that in my classroom as well. So there's just a couple of things that we need to pick up today, and I'll show you guys everything that we got once we get back home. All right, so we're here at Target. Let's go ahead in. All right, so they have a good selection of dry erase markers, which I'm not finding the ones that we need. Actually, I did. Got some cushion seats, paper trays, cubby bins, pencil cup holders, book bins, storage cups, and things like that. Things for the classroom, for bulletin boards and things like that. Bunch of nice teacher planners, except for the price is $32. You could find that cheaper on Amazon. There's a bunch of post-it notes. The ones at the bottom are $1 each. Bunch of wide ruled notebooks at 99¢ each. Looks like they have it in every color. So there's some planners for 2023 to 2024 at $17. Pencil boxes are 99¢. They have clear, blue, glittery pink, and gray. Looks like they have some more of the other ones that cost more than $2, $3 right there. Wide ruled notebooks for 99¢. Looks like it has to be these ones. All right, so some really great notebooks. Number 2 pencils. So number 2 pencils at 99 cents. Mechanical pencils. Index cards, $1.49 or 75 cents for those. Here we go. Pencil sharpener, 50 cents. Looks like they have every color binder and 2-inch at the bottom, 1.5 inch, and then 1 inch. Index dividers, sheet protectors, a bunch of highlighters, Sharpies, bunch of folders, literally like black, silver, purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, pink, white. Some really cute classroom signs for $10, first day of. Very cute lunch boxes for about $10. They have the Little Mermaid, Turtles, Lilo, Sonic, Minecraft, Hello Kitty, Scooby-Doo, Encanto. Over here we have glue sticks. Two-pack of glue sticks for 25 cents here, as well as if you need regular school glue, 25 cents. Crayons at 50 cents at the bottom. These kind for 25. Markers over here, we need washable. So I'm not sure if I'm looking. These are washable and for 50 cents. Looking for colored pencils. Colored pencils, 50 cents. A bunch of water bottles ranging from different prices. Lunch boxes through Cat and Jack. Has like the set, kind of like the lunchbox goes with the bento box for only $5. Bunch of backpacks. Some backpacks even come with headphones. All right, I'm getting ready to check out Target and head out of here. Okay, so per Skylar's back to school needs, we went ahead and got the one binder. It has to be 2-inch, so we got her a brand new one in the color pink. This was, I don't even know, I'm gonna place the price on the screen here. So it's a sturdy D-ring binder with pocket views. That way they can place anything up front. I'm not sure what exactly they're going to use that for, but I think it's for all of their stuff. And then I have the package of pencils, so we got that checked off the list. These are already sharpened, and I took these home from work before the summer, and thankfully I did, because it just put something to the side for myself. And then the headphones we already have here, so I did not need to get. I did go ahead and get 2 of the wide ruled composition notebooks. So her theme was like pink and purple, so I did get the purple one and the pink one. These were only this much each, especially because they were the Target brand. I also got her 2 of the one subject notebooks. So I have purple and I have pink, and these the price for these will be on the screen. And so really cheap. Last but not least, she needed two pocket folders, so the pockets are here, and then this one has like the prongs. But anyways, pink and purple as well. She also needed 2 boxes of tissues, cleaning wipes, and Ziploc bags. That's something that I will not even need. I have it in my classroom, as I mentioned before. And to show you guys the backpack that we chose for her this year, we got a Five Below. Like, who can beat that? $5 for a backpack that probably would have cost $15. She was looking more for cinnamon roll, whatever. But those backpacks are like $40. Who's paying $40 for a backpack that the child's clearly going to wear all year long, but at the same time use it probably for just the 1 year? From Target, we did end up getting the lunchbox. So it's a really perfect lunchbox, really cute. It does not have a pocket in the front. It looks like it, but I think that's just how the front is. So there is nothing included with this lunchbox here. Yeah, nothing included, just cardboard. But the price for this lunchbox was $10, $9.99. Like I said, this was $5 at Five Below. They had it advertised on Five Below that they had the lunchbox to go with this. They did not. Totally fine. As far as Cam goes for school, he needed some number 2 pencils. So we got a 24 count. They are not sharpened, but that is why I bought them not sharpened, because he also needed a pencil sharpener. He also needed 4 total glue sticks, as well as a 12 count of colored pencils, a pencil box, dry erase markers that are chiseled tip, and some washable markers. So as I said before in the car, and I'm being transparent about it, I don't believe in like going all out for a brand new pair of scissors or Clorox wipes, tissues, or anything else. If I already have them, then that's what they'll get. The thing of it is like box of tissues, they're in my classroom. You know, water bottle we have here. The headphones, we will, you know, manage and take care of that, and probably have to order them. And the scissors, we already have in the kitchen from years prior, so we might as well go ahead and send those in, especially if they're not being used here. So he didn't really need much, which was a shock for any 5th or 6th grader on the normal, because back in my days we needed the whole Walmart, Target, Staples period. So the backpack that he chose is right here. We did order that, and that will be here on Wednesday. So I don't want to wait any longer to put this video together. And then he also got a lunchbox to go along with the backpack. So they do pack lunch from time to time. So that is the reason why we got brand new lunchboxes instead of the ones from last year. And they have their bento boxes that will fit in both lunch boxes. So I thank you all so much for watching my back to school haul to see what I had to get my kiddos this year. I will be going back to school as well, hopefully taking a math class and just trying to take it easy this semester, and then get the ball rolling in the new year to do more than just one class, because I can't sit still very long. So be sure to check out the playlist that's linked in my description box down below, and go see what else everyone else had to get their kids, because every state, every city, and every county is definitely different. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.